Today I'm going to show you how to build a decorative backyard fountain using only a frozen up sump pump outlet pipe, a Central Illinois winter, and a drill. Increase your curb appeal. Beautiful weather lately here in Central Illinois. 13 inches of snow on the ground. And I noticed down in our basement a loud humming sound. Traced it down to the sump pump, which probably has just been sitting there running for like 2 or 3 days with the outlet completely frozen up. Our outlet runs outside under the deck and around the back of the house. So, came out here, followed it back under the deck, found a spot where it felt like it was maybe a little liquidy, grabbed a MAP gas torch, heated it up a little bit until I could feel the water sloshing around, and then I drilled a hole in it. And here we go. The sump pump is emptying out with a nice, I don't know, what is that, a 10-foot arc?
At least.
It's a pretty good flow there. So, yeah, I'll fix that when it gets warm, but at least this is better than the basement flooding.
Which it was about a foot from doing.
Yeah, the sump was just about full. So, caught it right in the nick of time. And we're supposed to get, I think, another 10 to 16 inches of snow tomorrow, so yeah, I'm glad I caught it when I didn't have to dig for this thing at least. So, there's a crappy solution if you've got this problem.